Are your students struggling to write a complete sentence? Do beginner English learners need more support putting their thoughts on paper? Writing Journey for Beginners is the textbook designed to build writing confidence, step by step. Beginner English learners deserve more than just basic practice. They need tools that build confidence and real writing skills. Writing Journey for Beginners starts where your students are, correcting sentence fragments, fixing run-ons, and understanding the building blocks of grammar. From there, it guides them step by step into crafting complete sentences, developing their ideas, and becoming stronger, more independent writers. It's not just a workbook, it's a pathway to progress. Created for middle school, high school, and adult ESL learners. It's clear, interactive, and built with the classroom and the busy student in mind. Writing Journey for Beginners, unlocking the writer in every student, one confident sentence at a time. Available now on Amazon and at iwtle.com.